How's it going, everybody? My name is Fred Levi. I'm the VP of Sales here to Improve My Score. And before we get started, I wanted to let you know to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that anytime we bring out a new video, you'll be notified. And leave a comment of anything that you may want me to talk about sometime in the future. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring up a series of videos, short videos, to you guys to go ahead and explain the 5 sections of a FICO credit report, FICO credit score. So in this video here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on history, which counts for 35 points. Now let's go ahead and give you a little bit of background of the FICO score. FICO scores range from 300 to 850, leaving a range of 550 points. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to specifically talk about credit history and how you pay your bills. So like I said, it's 35% of the score. It's 192.5 points that you can obtain using this section. So this is the place that you're going to be able to score the most amount of points. So it's very critical and important that you go ahead and pay your bills on time. Okay, so what does that mean, pay your bills on time? If you get a late payment, you're going to affect this section of your credit report. You know, if you're getting a 30, 60, 90-day late, collection accounts, charge-offs, this is where it's going to come into play. It's going to play into this 192.5 points. So you want to focus on just making sure you set up your payments on automatic payment. That way, when the payment is due, you'll know that you've already paid at least the minimum. Okay, so very important. What I recommend all my clients to do is to go ahead and set up an automatic payment, either through their bill pay or through the credit card or company that the bill is through. Just go ahead and set up an automatic payment for the minimum amount that's due. Okay, so what I'm going to do next in the next videos, we're going to go ahead and talk about utilization. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to send an email to info@improvemyscore.com. Let our team go ahead and review that. We'll go ahead and get it scheduled for a video to be made on that. And with that being said, I want to thank you for taking a couple minutes to watch this video. Please like and share it. If you have any questions about this section of your credit report and your FICO score, please comment below. We'd love to be able to help out, answer any questions you guys might have. With that being said, thank you for your time.